Now, iPhones have a lot of stipulations inside of them that sometimes give you little weird little pop-ups that happen like this. Now, this is a pop-up that's been plaguing tons and tons of people throughout their whole entire life, pretty much since day one of iPhones. They change the terminology every once in a while, but as of right now, it's pretty much an integrity of an application cannot be verified. Now, what does that mean? Well, that basically means that the application that you downloaded, probably from an online source, probably from maybe you used another application to download something down and it's not working. Well, whenever you get a little pop up that looks like this, that basically means you have to do one thing and one thing only. Either you have to go inside of your settings and enable it and basically trust that source, or two, that certificate, that application, that whatever you're using is no longer available or applicable, and you're pretty much just going to have to find another way to use that application because this current method is not working. So, to start off, what you want to do is make your way over to your settings application. And then what you want to do is you basically want to scroll down until you see your general settings. So click on your general settings right there. And what you want to do here is you want to scroll down until you see something that looks like VPN and device management. Now, if you have a super old iPhone, it may say profiles and device management. It might just say profiles. It really just depends what it says. Now click on that little tab and then you'll come into this page. Now here where it says configuration profiles, you'll probably see a lot of different things, or you'll just see one. As you can see, I just have one. Well, all I'm going to have to do here is click on that one profile, and then I'll come into this next page. Now what I'm going to want to do here is I'm going to want to trust this source of this profile or enable this source. So if there's something here that says like enable profile, whatever it says, go ahead and click trust. And when you do that, that application, wherever it is, whatever it is, it'll probably go ahead and open, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now that's not perfect because it's still, you might still have issues, but that is just an option that may end up working for you. Now if you do that and this is still the pop-up that you're getting, well, most probably, and this is just how it is with these type of profile apps, trust me, I know it's annoying. I've been in this situation thousands of times now. Essentially, that means this profile is no longer working, and you're pretty much going to have to find an alternative way to use this application. You can try reinstalling it, but chances are that might not even work. So your best bet is to pretty much go through, maybe use a different application, maybe use a different method of installing it, but that is pretty much the main way to do it. If you restart your phone, if you could reconnect to internet, whatever, that stuff probably won't even fix it. So it's really just enabling it within the settings is really the only way to do it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.